This diesel forklift truck seems to have starting trouble, so the unit truck has to tow the 7-ton vehicle. No problem. Field repairs are a lot easier with the unit truck. The unit truck also proves its worth for gardens and tree nurseries. Thanks to its compactness and articulated steering, it can do lots of jobs better and faster. GRUNIG offers a tiller for the unit truck. The tiller is powered by a hydraulic motor and is connected to a separate hydraulic circuit at the rear of the unit truck. Operating a chicken farm involves extensive waste disposal. The unit truck system represents the ideal solution. The sweeping machine, as well as the front loader bucket, are used for the basic and final cleaning of chicken coops. The quick coupler system lets you change attachments in seconds. The quick coupler plate is always the same on all GRUNIG attachments. Compatibility between every unit truck model and all attachments is always guaranteed. This means you can expand the functions of your unit truck system at any time. An attachment is hooked with its mounting adapter directly into the fork carrier plate of the mast. The operator has to leave his seat only for decoupling and coupling of hydraulic hoses. Connection of hoses is done with quick couplers and requires little effort. A simple locking mechanism fixes the shovel onto the carrier plate, and the unit truck is ready to continue its work with the next operation. There's not much difference between cleaning a chicken farm and cleaning a horse stable. Removing straw, feed leftovers, manure, and other debris is no problem for the GRUNIG sweeper. The truck's lifting mast allows the debris container to be emptied at heights up to 2 meters. The debris release mechanism is operated with hydraulic support or mechanically in standard equipment. For manure and hay transport, GRUNIG's unit truck system features a fork with hydraulic clamp. Hole diggers powered by hydraulics or gasoline engine can be used with the unit truck. Setting up a fence, the posts have to be set. Equipped with steel weights on its forks, the unit truck drives the posts with appropriate force into the drilled holes. The wide range of unit truck applications fits the multiple maintenance tasks at athletic stadiums too. The high cutting performance of the front mower can be fully utilized. As an alternative to the suction material collector, GRUNIG offers a grass sweeper. It provides gentle, professional pickup of grass clippings and leaves. Many more attachments for turf and hard quartz maintenance can be used with the Unitruck.